Did you know escaped slaves once pulled off the largest gold heist in colonial history? In 1694, the Quilombo dos Palmares had built a hidden nation deep in Brazil's mountains. These weren't just runaway slaves, they were organized warriors with a sophisticated spy network. They tracked every Portuguese gold shipment leaving the rich mines of Minas Gerais. In March 1695, 400 Colombo fighters struck at a river crossing. The annual treasure convoy never saw it coming. 15 tons of raw gold ingots worth 8 million cruzados vanished in minutes. The Portuguese launched a massive military campaign to crush them, but leader Zumbi made a brilliant decision. Instead of fleeing with the gold, they buried it. Using sacred African rituals, he divided the treasure among 7 secret sites. Even torture couldn't reveal all the locations. Today, Brazil's Atlantic forest covers those ancient burial grounds. Recent archaeological surveys keep finding ritual sites that could mark the spots. Portugal's lost fortune is still out there waiting.